Hi there! So finally, here are the Poco Pods, earphones by Poco. They're priced at just $11.99 and they offer quite a lot. 12mm drivers, environmental noise cancellation, 30 hours battery life and more. Now all these specs seem really interesting, but let's see how it performs in reality. So without further ado, let's quickly unbox it and dive straight in. Let's begin. So here is the detailed packaging of the newly launched Poco Pods. You can see the image of the buds here. It comes with Google Fast Pairing support, some key features mentioned here which we shall cover in this video, some manufacturing details here. Let's quickly open it up. Right on the top are the earbuds themselves. Then we have some paperwork that includes the user manual and two pairs of extra silicone ear tips of different sizes. Really love the yellow color. Let's have a closer look at the built-in design. So this case comes with this matte finish which doesn't attract any fingerprint or smudges. You can spot the Poco branding on the top. Towards the bottom is the USB-C port to charge the case. Really lightweight, just 41 grams. Now let's open the lid and inside you can spot the earphones. Really nice and solid hinge which you can easily open with one hand. Really convenient. You can spot the yellow color inside and the earbuds inside. Let's remove them. So here are the earphones and they have this buds and stem design. The yellow silicone ear tips clearly remind us of the Poco Yellow. Very well built, light and compact. Also if you look closely you can spot the microphones on them which is going to assist you for phone calls. The Poco Pods come with IPX4 rating, so mild splashes and sweat should be fine. Ideal to be worn at the gym or for a run. Also it comes with the latest Bluetooth 5.3, so better stable connectivity. Then Google Fast Pairing on board. Simply open the lid and you'll see the pairing pop up on your Android phone. Click to pair. Super simple. iPhone users will have to follow the standard pairing process. Coming to fit and comfort. Well, I'm currently wearing both and I can tell you that they snug in really nicely and block most of the passive sound. Also really lightweight and comfortable, so it can be worn for long hours. We tried shaking our head. Baapre, chakkar hi aa gaye. And I can tell you that they didn't fall off either. Just make sure you have the right size of those earbuds because that will make a huge difference in fit as well as sound quality. Talking about the sound quality, well, firstly, it gets decently loud but not like blazing loud. So some might feel a little disappointed. The good thing is there was no distortion at all. The instrument separation and clarity was very impressive. It creates a good surround sound effect, giving you a very immersive experience. The bass is also quite good. Just the right amount. It's not that hard hitting that gives you a headache, but overall pretty good. However, I'd like to add that the sound quality is overall very premium, especially for this price. Very impressive. Then it also comes with ENC on board, which helps to cancel out some ambient sound like the traffic sound or the dogs barking. It's not as good as ANC, but still pretty good. Then it also comes with tap gestures to pause and play, to enter low latency mode, to change tracks, to even answer end calls. It works pretty well, though it doesn't have the gesture for previous track and volume control. I don't see it as a deal breaker, but still worth mentioning. Then we briefly even used it for phone calls. Here's a quick demo. So the audio you're hearing right now is being recorded from the microphones of the Poco Pods. I think it's quite clear and audible with no noticeable echo or lag. Indoors, I've experienced it to be very clear. Outdoors, I'd say it does capture some ambient sound. However, you guys are the best judge. Write down the comments and let us know how do these microphones sound. Then it comes with game mode too. Tap and hold on both the earbuds for 3 seconds to enter low latency mode. With 60 millisecond latency, it was pretty good for gaming. I didn't notice any lag or delay. Then we also used it while watching movies and the lip sync was spot on. The Poco Pods support the Xiaomi Earbuds app that are available on both iOS as well as Android. But we weren't able to access it. The earphones, however, worked perfectly with the phone. Music, gaming, low latency, tap gestures, everything worked. But somehow, we couldn't get it to work with the app. I'm guessing that Xiaomi Earbuds app needs an update. Also, considering that the app only gives you info about the battery and helps you toggle between the low latency mode, there isn't much you're missing out on. However, with an update, this issue should be fixed soon. Coming to the battery. So the case comes with a 440 mAh battery that provides about 30 hours of music playback, while the earbuds each comes with a 34 mAh battery that would roughly last for 3 to 4 hours on a single charge. It also supports fast charging, so 10 minutes of charge will give you 90 minutes of music playback. Can't ask for more. The Poco Pods are priced at just $11.99 and it offers quite a lot for that price. premium sound, then there's ENC and even low latency mode. However, remember that there's no ear detection and no dual pairing. But then for 1199, I think that would be too much to ask for. It goes on sale on 29th of July at 12 PM on Flipkart. I'll share the links of these earbuds below in the description. If you'd like to buy one, you should definitely check it out. So I hope the video was helpful. If there are any questions, mention them down in the comments below and I'll be happy to answer them all. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Until next time, cheers.